Hello, Ma'am Answer. How are you? My name is Rimaryuni. I'm 41 years old. I'm from Indonesia. I'm married. I'm Muslim. I have two children. They are 11 years old and 9 years old. My experience in Hong Kong on 2007 until 2011. My job is take care the baby. I need to take care the baby from have the shower, make milk, change diaper. I also go to the market, cooking and clean the house. The second, in Singapore, on 2004 until 2006. My job is take care the children 2 years old and take care the newborn baby. I need to take care the newborn baby, have from take shower, make milk, change diapers. I also clean the house, cooking and go to the market. Thank you. See you in Hong Kong.